Hi guys, I made another wire ring tutorial. Hopefully this one is more clear and easy to follow. First thing I do is cut my wire to 18 inches. All of the materials that I use are from Amazon. All the details and specifications on the sizes that I use will be in the description box below. You're going to need a ring size tool like this. I'm not sure exactly what it's called. I'll put the name down below. I'm using an 8mm size bead. You can use any size bead and also any style of bead, any gem you want to use. I'm making an 8 size ring, so that's where I will be placing my bead so that the measurement is correct. The bead should be right in the middle of the wire, wherever the center is. We're going to go one whole turn around the bead on both sides. As you're doing this, the wire and the bead might move, so just continue to adjust and hold on to the wire tight so that the size of the ring won't shift too much. For this next step, you're going to be needing pliers to pull the string in between the tool and the side of the ring. I do this 3 times on each side. This part can get tricky because as you pull on the wire, the other parts of the ring will move or shift. The bead might move, so just be patient. I pull on one side first and then I move on to the other side, even out both sides. I don't do just one side at a time. I take turns on each side. Next is to just cut off the extra wire. Make sure to press down the ends with the pliers so that they don't scratch you when you wear the ring. And that's it. This is how the ring turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and found it easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!